Why sock printing is gaining popularity and becoming a trend. In the current era of individuality, sock printing has become popular due to many factors. It provides people with a platform for self-expression, showing their personal hobbies, beliefs, and sense of humor. On-demand printing services are convenient, lowering the threshold for entrepreneurship and giving rise to a variety of niche designs. Advances in digital printing technology have made patterns bright and durable. At the same time, socks have leapt from basic styles to trendy items, and their bold designs fit minimalism, becoming a new way to try fashion with low investment. What can you create with a sock printer? The sock printer can transform your wildest imagination into a unique foot artwork, whether it is creating a personal souvenir, such as a warm gift with family photos, names, or important dates, or customizing eye-catching fashion items for a brand. From corporate logos, event themes to sports team culture, it can easily achieve. Choosing the right socks printer. Industry-leading speed, 50 to 80 pairs an hour, meeting the needs of efficient delivery of bulk orders. 4-axis synchronous printing, complex patterns with high precision output to ensure color consistency. Recommended scenarios, medium and large factories, brand OEM, long-term stable order users. Double rollers alternate operation, seamless printing process. Recommended scenarios, small and medium-sized foundries, growing customers who want to balance speed and flexibility. More than 70% of single-arm equipment users choose it as their first choice for repurchase. Cost-effective strategy, classic structure, more economical for long-term use. First-generation technology accumulation, market-proven, industry benchmark for stability. Low-cost startup, startup-level pricing, fast payback period. Compatible with socks, eye sleeves, wrist guards, yoga clothes. User-friendly, visual interface. Beginners can learn quickly in 30 minutes. DTG versus sublimation. Digital printing will not damage the fibers on the surface of the socks. 360-degree seamless digital printing. The pattern is perfectly connected, and there will be no to white lines on both sides of the socks. Using heat transfer, the pattern is transferred to the surface of the socks at high temperature. The high temperature during transfer will damage the fibers on the surface of the socks. There will be a white line at the joints on both sides of the socks, and the pattern will crack and leak white when stretched.